Most people think you need a regular job to make money, but what if I told you some of the strangest jobs in the world actually make people rich? We're diving into a world where your side hustle could be raising insects or renting out farm animals. From cockroach farms to chicken rentals, these side hustles sound insane, but they pay big. We found the most unbelievable ways people are earning a living, and what we found will blow your mind. So if you think your job is boring, get ready to have your perspective flipped. Let's check out 5 of the strangest jobs that actually make people money. First up, snail farming. In places like Nigeria, Ghana, and France, snails are a delicacy and a multi-million-dollar industry. You don't need much space. You can start a snail farm in your backyard. Snails are low maintenance, eat cheap food, and reproduce rapidly. One snail can lay hundreds of eggs. In West Africa, snail meat is a luxury protein. In Europe, escargot is gourmet. Because wild supply is inconsistent, farmers can charge premium prices. Some start with a few $100s and end up making tens of thousands a year. They turned a common garden pest into a massive paycheck. Your next big idea could be crawling right under your nose. This one sounds wild, renting chickens. In the US and Canada, companies deliver a coop, 2 hens, and feed to your backyard for a few $100s. Families get fresh eggs and a taste of farm life without the long-term commitment. Rental companies charge $400, $700 for a 6-month period, just for 2 chickens. With low overhead, the profit potential is huge. The chickens and coops are reused, making it a recurring revenue business. Some companies even franchise this model nationwide. It's like Netflix, but for chickens, a farm-to-table experience on demand. One of the weirdest but smartest rental businesses out there. In Ghana, funerals are a celebration, and so are the coffins. Fantasy coffins, or ababu atakai, are hand-carved works of art shaped like fish, airplanes, or cocoa pods. These masterpieces can cost up to $15,000 each. Skilled carpenters spend weeks crafting each one, and their work is world-renowned. Art collectors and museums buy these coffins as sculptures, creating a global market. These artists have 2 revenue streams, local funerals and international art sales. They turned a cultural tradition into a thriving business. It's creativity, passion, and profit, all in one. Imagine getting paid to cry at funerals. In parts of Asia and Africa, professional mourners are hired to weep and wail, honoring the deceased. A loud, emotional funeral is seen as a sign of respect and love. These performers know the right songs and traditions and can earn hundreds or thousands per event. It's not just fake crying, it's a respected role, providing an emotional outlet for grieving families. They help families meet cultural expectations and create a powerful atmosphere. For many, it's a genuine service and a steady income. There's a market for everything, even emotions. These entrepreneurs turn grief into a business. Ready for the weirdest? Cockroach farming in China is a booming multi-million-dollar industry. Massive farms house billions of cockroaches used in medicine and cosmetics. Cockroach powder is used to treat ulcers and burns and even in beauty products. They're also used for waste disposal. Cockroaches eat food scraps and are turned into high-protein animal feed. The scale is mind-blowing. Buildings stacked with millions of roaches in climate-controlled conditions. One farmer reportedly has over 6 billion cockroaches and sells to pharmaceutical companies. It's a sustainable, profitable solution that turns pests into profit. These entrepreneurs saw value where no one else did. They built empires on cockroaches. Snails, chickens, coffins crying, cockroaches. Strange, but for these hustlers, it's real income. These jobs prove money can come from the most unexpected places. They saw opportunity where others saw nothing and built thriving businesses. The next million-dollar idea might be something weird, old, or even gross. With creativity and courage, you can create your own path to financial freedom. Subscribe for more strange hustles. You never know where your next big idea will come from.